Hello students, in present video I am going to explain about second problem from bank reconciliation statement topic. I am taking this question from Punkaj publications book. See the question. On 31st March 2013, the passbook of a merchant showed a credit balance of 25,000 rupees. After that, he is giving the reasons for disagreement. Finally, what is asking? Prepare a bank reconciliation statement showing the balance as per cash book. See the sentence. On 31st March 2013, the passbook of a merchant showed a credit balance of 25,000. You should know the meaning of this credit balance word. Firm prepares cash book, bank prepares passbook now. In cash book, see I am talking only about bank columns, triple column cash book, bank columns. I am talking about them. In cash book, debit side increase we write. Because of a transaction, if our bank balance is increasing, cash book debit side we record. Similarly, bank people record the same in passbook credit side. Because of a transaction, if our bank balance is decreasing, in cash book a firm records that on credit side and bank people record in passbook on debit side. So remember these important points. Assume in cash book credit side balance carried down came. What is the meaning of this? Debit side total is more, credit side total is less. That is why credit side balance carried down is coming. So debit side we wrote deposits now, credit side we wrote payments now, withdrawals now. So deposits are more than withdrawals. That is why credit side total is less. So when deposits are more than withdrawals, finally in our bank account, our balance will be there now. That is known as favorable bank balance. So, and this balance is known as a debit balance because debit total is more than credit total. Don't think that balance carried down we wrote on credit side. So this is known as credit balance. No, that is wrong. Debit total is more than credit total now. So this balance is known as debit balance. So remember, as per cash book, debit balance means favorable balance. Means in our bank account we have some balance. Similarly, in cash book, debit side we wrote two balance carried down. What is the meaning of this? Credit total is more than debit total. Payments are more than deposits. Means from bank we have taken loan. We have taken overdraft. So this balance is known as credit balance now because credit total is more than debit total. What is the meaning of credit balance as per cash book? Overdraft bank balance. Loan balance. Come to passbook. In passbook, debit side balance carried down we wrote. What is the meaning of this? Credit total is more, debit total is less. Credit side we record deposits in passbook. Debit side we record payments. So deposits are more than payments. That is why debit side balance carried down is coming. So this is known as which balance? Credit total is more than debit total. So this is known as credit balance. So credit balance as per passbook means what? Favorable bank balance. Means this firm is having money in their account. In passbook, credit side balance carried down came. Means which balance this is? Debit total is more, credit total is less. So this is known as debit balance. What is the meaning of this answer? Debit side we wrote payments, credit side deposits now. Credit side balance came. Means payments total is more than deposit total. Means this firm has taken loan from the bank, overdraft. So debit balance as per passbook means overdraft bank balance. So remember this. As per cash book, debit balance. As per passbook, credit balance. Both are same. What is the meaning of this? Firm is having some balance in our account. Means favorable bank balance. Similarly, as per cash book, credit balance. As per passbook, debit balance. These two are same. What is the meaning of this? Firm has taken overdraft from the bank. Loan amount. In present problem, he is giving that passbook of a merchant showed a credit balance. So as per passbook, credit balance means favorable bank balance now. See, this is the answer. Heading is bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2013. Question is starting with that only now on 31st March 2013. So on this date we are preparing BRS. Therefore in heading we wrote that date. Table, particulars, amount. This is inner column, this is outer column. Favorable bank balance as per passbook is given in the question now. Amount 25,000. With that we have to start the solution. 25,000 in outer column we should write. And in question, after this balance, remaining information is what? These are the reasons for disagreement. So on a particular day, on 31st March 2013, accountant has compared the bank balance as per his cash book and bank balance as per passbook, which is prepared by the bankers. There is some disagreement. These two amounts are not same. Then by comparing these two books, he identified all these reasons. Whether we have identified all these reasons or not, to know about that, as a cross check, we are preparing BRS. So roughly I gave idea about this. If you want to know in depth, then on BRS topic, I have made two videos. One is for intermediate, one is for degree, introduction videos. So degree video from Kalyani Publications book I made. So these two videos links I am giving in the description box at the end of the video and in iCards. So I request you to watch those videos. In these reasons, some reasons we have to add to this 25,000 and some reasons we have to subtract. See the first reason. Checks amounting to 5,000 were deposited in the bank, but only checks of 2,000 were cleared. Cleared means nothing but collected. Bank people should collect, no? They collected up to 31st March. What is the meaning of this? Firm prepares cash book, bank prepares passbook, no? So firm received checks from customers. Amount 5,000 rupees. Instead of going to customer's bank, firm deposited these checks in their bank account. Now our banker's duty is they have to collect money from customer's bank and they should deposit that money in our account. And when we deposit checks into bank, we assume that bank collected that money, deposited in our account, our bank balance is increased. With us cash book is there. In cash book increase means which side? Debit side. So firm debited 5,000 rupees in cash book. As per cash book 5,000 is increasing. But in question what is giving? 5,000 were deposited in bank, but only checks of 2,000 were cleared up to 31st March. We are preparing BRS on 31st March 13 now. Up to that date what happened, that only we want. After that date what happened, you need not to consider that. So up to that date only 2,000 checks were collected by the bank people. Means 5,000 minus 2,000, 3,000 were not collected by them. So which amounts they record in passbook? Collected amounts only they record. They collected only 2,000 rupees now. In passbook increase means which side? Credit side. So credit side bank people increased 2,000 only because they have collected only 2,000. So what is the difference here? In cash book 5,000 we increased, but in passbook they increased only 2,000. So there is a difference of 3,000. That is why this is one cause for disagreement. Now what to do? In question, he is giving bank balance as per passbook now. So when favorable bank balance as per passbook is given, rule is adjust passbook as per cash book. What is the meaning of this? As per cash book, if bank balance is increasing, in passbook we should also increase. As per cash book, if bank balance is decreasing, in passbook we should also decrease. As per cash book, if bank balance is constant, in passbook we should also make the balance constant. So what happened in cash book? 5,000 increased, but in passbook only 2,000 increased. Now in passbook, if you increase another 3,000, then 2,000 increase plus 3,000 increase. Total 5,000 will be increased. In cash book, already 5,000 increase is there. So by increasing 3,000 rupees, we can make cash book balance, passbook balance equal. Therefore, our final answer is 3,000 increase. For final answer, I am putting this round up symbol. So increase means add. If answer comes as decrease, we have to subtract. Now 3000 increase now. See, under additions you have to write sentence. You can write anything, but it should give proper meaning. So what happened here? We deposited 3000 worth check, but bank people have not collected that. That meaning should come. So see the sentence. Checks deposited but not cleared. Cleared means what? Collected. We deposited 5000, but bank people collected only 2000. So how much they have not collected? 5000 minus 2000, 3000 rupees. 3000 in outer column. This answer. Next point. See the continuation. Checks amounting to 7500 were issued, but checks for 2400 had not been presented for the payment in the bank up to 31st March. So issue means what? Giving to somebody. Our firm has to give money to somebody, say to our suppliers. Amount is 7500. So instead of paying money, what we did, we issued checks to them. We thought that they went to bank. They presented these checks. They took the money. Our bank balance is decreased. With us, cash book is there. Decrease means in cash book credit side now. Credit side, firm has decreased 7500 rupees. In cash book credit side, if you record, in passbook we said they should record debit side. But what happened? But checks for 2400 had not been presented for the payment in the bank up to 31st March. Means what? Difference amount, already they went to bank, they presented the checks, they took the money. So we have no problem with the difference amount. But this 2400, what happened to this? This supplier has not went to bank and took the money up to 31st March. So this 2400 is the reason for difference now. That only we should consider. Difference is how much? 7500 minus 2400 is equal 5100. So up to 31st March, the supplier who has a 5100 worth check went to bank and he took the money. So bank people debits that amount only now. 5100 they debited, they decreased. But they have not decreased remaining 2400 because that person didn't go to bank up to 31st March. So this is the difference reason. Now which book balance we should adjust? Rule is adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book 7500 is decreased. But as per passbook we decreased only 5100. So more how much we should decrease now? 2400 we have to decrease in passbook. Then 5100 already decreased. Now we are decreasing 2400. Total becomes 7500. So 7500 decrease in passbook, 7500 decrease in cash book. Now final answer is 2400 decrease. Decrease means subtract now. See, under subtract, first point, checks issued but not presented for payment 2400. See the continuation. In the passbook, there was a credit of 150 for interest on investment and a debit of 20 rupees for bank charges. So first this interest on investment we will see. Interest on investment means one income. Our firm invested money somewhere, maybe in debentures of public limited companies, otherwise bonds of government. So on this investment we should receive interest now. We have given that instructions to our bank. So on time collect that amount and deposit in my account. So bank people collected that interest and they have deposited in our account. First, who knows about this? Bank people only. Bank people are maintaining passbook now. So in passbook it was recorded first. Amount is 150 rupees. When they deposit, our bank balance increases now. In passbook increase means credit side. So credit side they have increased 150 rupees. In passbook credit side means in cash book which side it should be? Debit side. But what happened here? They have not recorded in cash book. So nothing is debited. In passbook we have created. If you observe the question, sentence is in the passbook there was a credit of 150 for interest on investment and a debit of 20 rupees for bank charges. Only this much he is giving. He is not giving that this amount is entered in passbook but not entered in cash book. What he is giving in the question? 150 is recorded in the passbook. He is not giving that 150 is not recorded in the cash book. Even though I thought that 150 is not recorded in cash book, you will get one doubt. How you know that in cash book it is not recorded? See, in BRS, one basic point you have to remember. In question, he gives all these points, no? Reasons for disagreement. All these amounts are what? Recorded in one book means not recorded in another book. Means what? Recorded in cash book. Then the meaning is not recorded in passbook. Otherwise, recorded in passbook means not recorded in cash book. This is point number 1. Second point is, he is giving in the question that in cash book wrongly they have recorded. Then what is the meaning of that? In passbook correctly they recorded. Don't think that in passbook they have not recorded. In passbook they have recorded, but correctly. Similarly, in question is giving that in passbook wrongly they have entered. What is the meaning of that? In cash book correctly they wrote. So these basic points always you have to keep in mind. What is that? In one book recorded means in another book not recorded. In one book wrongly recorded means what? In another book rightly recorded. He need not to give separately that one. So here also in question is giving that in passbook they have recorded. So our assumption is in cash book they have not recorded. He need not to give that. Now finally passbook balance is given in the question now. So what is the rule? Adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book bank balance is constant. So in passbook we should also make this balance constant. Means this 150 increased amount now we should cancel. How to cancel that? By debiting. So if you debit 150 in passbook, then what happens? This increased amount, decreased amount, both will get cancelled. Finally, as per passbook also bank balance remains constant. So our answer is 150 should be decreased. Decrease means under subtract, no? See, second point under subtract, interest on investments credited in passbook only 150 rupees. Some more we have to discuss about this third point. See, you will get one doubt, that is actually bank people collected interest. Means bank balance is really increased. In passbook, bank people recorded that. When we come to know about that, in cash book we should also record now. Actually what we supposed to do? 150 rupees in cash book debit side we should record. Because in passbook they have recorded. Recording in passbook is correct only. We have not recorded. So now we should record when we come to know about this. Instead of debiting cash book, why this also you are cancelling? This 150 I am cancelling now by debiting 150 rupees in passbook. Correct entry, why you are cancelling? This is wrong. Not recording in debit side of cash book is wrong. That mistake only here I am also following now. Why? You will get this doubt. So to get it clarified, you should know the concept of BRS. I told no, in introduction classes clearly I explained this. I'll give a small idea here. See, the purpose of preparing BRS is not to correct these books, not to make them equal. So on a particular day, the bank balance as per cash book prepared by firm, the bank balance as per passbook prepared by the bank are not same. Why these two are not same? To know that we compared cash book and passbook. Bank people give this passbook to us only, no? So with the firm, they have passbook, cash book both. So debit side of cash book, we compare with the credit side of passbook. Credit side of cash book, we compare with the debit side of passbook. In that comparison, we came to know about all these reasons. Okay? All these reasons are what? Recorded in one book, not recorded in another book. Otherwise, recorded correctly in one book, wrongly in another book. Now the question is whether we have located all the reasons properly or not. We should confirm. Nobody tells to us. How to come to that confirmation? We have to do a cross check. That cross check is known as bank reconciliation statement. Here, with any one book balance, we should start the problem. Suppose favorable bank balance as per cash book we have started. Then these reasons are there, no? Some reasons we should add, some reasons we should subtract. Then other book, favorable bank balance as per passbook should come. So with the firm, passbook is also there. In passbook, already they know how much bank balance we have. If we get that balance, then the meaning is the reasons for disagreement successfully we have located. Suppose total 20 reasons are there. By preparing this, we got another value here. Means bank balance as per passbook is not coming because we have located only 17 reasons. Now what to do? Again these two books you have to compare. Again these three reasons also we have to locate. By taking 20 reasons, again we should prepare BRS. Now assume exact passbook answer is coming. Then the meaning is exactly 20 reasons are there for disagreement and we have located all. Therefore, our goal is not to correct this cash book or not to correct this passbook. So we have passbook balance with us and our target is cash book bank balance we need. So what to do? In cash book whatever happens, according to that only we should do in passbook also. As per cash book, if bank balance increases, we should increase. If bank balance decreases, we should decrease. While doing that, you need not to think that whether what we are doing is correct or not. That is why even though 150 is properly recorded in passbook, we have cancelled it again. See the last point. In the passbook, there was a credit of 150. This is completed. Continuation is what? For interest on investment and debit of 20 for bank charges. This is not yet completed. No, this is the last reason for disagreement. So what happened? In passbook, there is a debit for 20 rupees towards bank charges. Bank people are giving so many services to us. So if we deposit checks, they are collecting them. If we issue checks to somebody, they are paying money. In favor of us, they are making payments. Our incomes, they are collecting, they are depositing in our account. All these services are not at free of cost now. Time to time, they take charges from our account. So when they take charges, first who knows about this? Bank people only, because they are only charging. Means it is recorded in passbook. We said, after taking that amount, our bank balance decreases. Means in passbook debit side, 20 rupees debited by bank people in passbook. Here debited means in cash book we said it should be credit side. But you know this rule, one book recorded means another book not recorded, no? So not recorded in cash book. Now what to do? In question, favorable bank balance as per passbook is given. So rule is adjust passbook as per cash book. As per cash book, bank balance is constant, but we decreased in passbook. Now this 20 decrease we should cancel. How to cancel that? By increasing. So 20 again we have to increase in passbook. Means we have to write on credit side. This is our final answer. Then this is increased 20, decreased 20, both will get cancelled. Finally, as per passbook also bank balance remains constant. So increase is the answer now. Means we have to add. Second point under additions. Bank charges debited in passbook only 20 rupees. Addition now, therefore amount in outer column. Now all reasons we have taken in this statement. Finally close this. All these plus amounts we have to add 28,020 rupees. These are subtract amounts, two amounts, add them and the total in outer column 2,550. Now finally from 28,020 subtract this 2,550. So answer is 25,470. For this what to write in particulars column? This 25,000 is what? Favorable bank balance as per passbook. Therefore our answer is favorable bank balance as per cash book. So this is the solution. In public examination, only this statement you have to show. This is only rough work. So take a screenshot of this solution. Take a screenshot of rough work also. So this is the end of present video. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.